Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the TED class grade 6 social studies lesson. I am Nina Miss from Huravi School. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. I am standing in front of my house. My house is in Hulumale. Hulumale is a part of Greater Male city, and Hulumale is one of the most developed and beautiful place in the Maldives. So students, this is what we are going to learn today. Atolls of the Maldives. Atolls and the capital islands. Today we are going to learn names of the provinces, name of atolls, along with capital islands of each atoll in the Maldives. Success criteria: I will be successful if I can say at least 10 capital islands of the atoll and identify and locate all the atolls in the given map. And identify the atolls included in the provinces. Maldives is beautiful place, which is the reason why tourists from different countries always look forward in coming here. They want to see the beauty of our country and to experience our culture. Let's see a small video clip on Maldives. Did you know, students, Maldives is located near the equator, the lowest and the flattest nation in the world. Wad Atoll is the largest atoll in the Maldives. Maldives has one of the richest marine biodiversity in the world. Maldives is located in Indian Ocean. All the atolls in the Maldives are ring-shaped coral islands. Atolls are made up of sandbanks and living coral reefs. The atoll surrounds in a body of water called lagoon. In the Maldives, there are a total 22 atolls. Sinu Atoll, also known as Addu Atoll, is the last atoll located in the southern province. This is Navian Atoll. It is a very beautiful atoll compared to other atolls. This atoll consists of only one island, unlike the other atolls. Also, this is the only atoll with one island in the Maldives. This is Formulak City. This atoll is known as Wadu Atoll. Also in this atoll, there are islands which belongs to two atolls, Gafdal and Gaf Alif. The capital of Gafdal is Tinadu and Gaf Alif is Viligili. This is the biggest atoll. Next to Wadu Atoll, you are now seeing Lam Atoll. Capital of this atoll is Fonadu. As you can see, the atoll next to the Lam Atoll is Kolomadulu, which is the atoll, and the end capital of this atoll is Wemandu. On the right side of the atoll, here is Meme Atoll. Capital of this atoll is Mule. And then we are now looking at Tal Atoll. Capital of this atoll is Kudahuadur. Not very far from Dal Atoll, you can see Faf Atoll. Capital of this atoll is Nilandu. Let's see Felidu Atoll, which is Vav Atoll. Capital of this atoll is Felidu. And this is the atoll with the least population in the Maldives. This is Ari Atoll, which consists of two other atolls, Alif Alif and Alif Dal. Capital of Alif Dal is Mahibadu and the capital of Alif Alif is Rastu. This atoll is quite famous among tourists and very well known for its beauty. The next atoll we look into is where the capital of Maldives is located, the Greater Malay Kaf Atoll. Capital of this atoll is Tulustu. Just above Kaf Atoll, now you are seeing a small atoll called Lavian Atoll, and the capital of this atoll is Nafar. The next atoll that you are seeing is Ba Atoll. Edafushi is the capital of this atoll. On the top of Ba Atoll, here is Ra Atoll. The capital of Ra Atoll is Ungufar. Ha Alif, Ha Dal, Shavian and Noon. These atolls lies on one ring. At the topmost of this ring, you can see Ha Alif Atoll. We have 22 atolls in the Maldives. Each atoll is having an island which is representing as the capital of the atoll. Likewise, each atoll has an official name. Do you know the official name of Niue Atoll? Let's see into some atolls and their official names. Which atoll is this? This is Dal Atoll. Dal Atoll official name is Nilandi Atoll Dekunupuri. And which atoll is this? Any guesses? Sinu atoll. Sinu atoll official name is Adduantulu. The next atoll is Ra atoll.
The atoll in which you will see glowing beaches. This is Vadu. Isn't it mesmerizing? What do you think is the official name of the atoll?
Ra atoll official name is
Malas Madulu, Utturupuri.
and the next atoll is Noon atoll. Noon atoll official name is
Miladu Madulu, Dekonuburi.
next atoll. This is Lam atoll. Let's see the official name of Lam atoll. Lam atoll official name is Haddummati. And Ha Alif atoll. Ha Alif atoll official name is Tiladummati Utturupuri. Provinces of the Maldives. Maldives atolls are mainly divided into 3 provinces. First, let's see the northern atolls. For the word north, the Divehi name is Uturu. These are the atolls belonging to this province. Ha Alif atoll, Ha Dal atoll, Shaviani atoll, Noon atoll, Ra atoll, Ba atoll, and Laviani atoll. Total 7 atolls are belonging to this province. Next is central atolls. Central atolls are Medurajatiri. Let's read these atolls. Kaf atoll, Alif atoll, Alif Dal atoll, Vav atoll, Faf atoll, Mim atoll, Dal atoll, and Ta atoll. Total 8 atolls are belonging to this province. The last province is Southern Province. Total 5 atolls are belonging to this province. Students, let's read these atolls with me. Lam atoll, Gaf Alif atoll, Gaf Dal atoll, Nyavian atoll, and Seen atoll. It's your turn. Map of the Maldives. Let's take a look at the map of the Maldives and let's label some atolls in this map. Now students, if you know the correct answer, say it loud, and if you got it right, then give a clap for yourself. So now let's see which atoll is this. How many of you know which atoll is this? This is Ha Dal atoll. Next, which atoll is this? If you know the answer, say it loud. Let's see the answer. Ra atoll. Very good. And which atoll is this? This is Laviani atoll. How many of you know which atoll is this? This is Half atoll. Very good. If your answer is correct, give a clap for yourself. And next atoll. If you know the answer, say it loud. Let's see the answer. This is Alif Dal atoll. Very good. And next atoll. Tell me the answer. Say it loud. Dal atoll. Very good. And who knows the answer? Which atoll is this? Let's see the answer. Lam atoll. If your answer is correct, give a clap for yourself. And the last atoll. Who knows the answer? Which atoll is this? If you know the answer, say it loud. Seen atoll. Very good, students. As we have come to the end of today's lesson, before we wind up, let's see how many of you remember what we have learned today. I will show you some questions and let's see how many of you can get the answer correct. Question number 1. What is the capital island of Meme Atoll? You have three choices A, B, and C. A is Mula, B is Korufushi, C is Muli. Which one is the correct answer? Let's see the answer. Correct answer is C, Muli. Question number 2. Which atoll is Tiladummati Uturuburi? Here A is Ha Alif Atoll, B is Noon Atoll, C is Faf Atoll. Which one is the correct answer? A, B, or C? Let's see the correct answer. Question number 3. How many atolls are in the Maldives? A. 30 atolls, B. 22 atolls, C. 19 atolls. Which one is the correct answer? Let's see the correct answer. B. 22 atolls. Very good. So now let's see question 4. What is the capital island of Alif Alif Atoll? A is Manadu, B is Rastu, C is Feridu. Which one is the correct answer? A, B, or C? Let's see the answer. B, Rastu. Let's see the last question. Question number 5. Which atoll is Huvadu Antolonturupuri? A is Hadal Atoll, B is Gafdal Atoll, C is Gaf Alif Atoll. How many of you know the answer? Let's see the answer. C is the correct answer. Well done, students. You all did a brilliant job. Bye bye.